Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. We have 3,500 friends. Thank you so much for subscribing our channel and always give support, and please share this video. I'm expecting more subscribers in future. And in this video, I'm going to explain you can do your organization's background verification process. Okay, I repeat, you can do your organization verification process, not your background verification. Your background verification will be done by background verification vendor in big MNCs or in software companies, wherever you join. Okay, you can check whether the currently working organization is recognized organization or not. That information you can do yourself without any other help. No need to help any other people. So that is the thing I'm going to educate here. You people are working in your current organization, you are using your potential and you are getting the salary, and you are using your wonderful skill to your organization to improve your organization level, financial level, headcount level. Okay, however, you people are doesn't know whether the currently working organization is recognized organization, authorized organization or not. Okay, so generally it is called registration number will be there, GST number will be there. However, there are some unique ID will be provided to your organization. Okay, you can check that unique ID in the portal. So I am the responsible person. You people are following me in last 2.5 years genuinely, so that I want to educate the simple thing to all my followers. Okay, so always give thumbs up and subscribe and share this video to your friends. Definitely this video going to be useful. And I repeat, definitely you will work in an organization, you will not think about the organization whether the working organization is the perfect authorized one, whether they got the proper guideline as per organization guideline, as per government guideline they are running the organization or not. Those kind of information you need to understand, so you can do the your company verification yourself. Okay, so please watch this video till end and get the clear picture. And here is the trick.